right, go, Joshua.
I miss you, Daddy.
Look at the camera and tell Daddy.
I miss you, Daddy.
You miss Daddy?
Yeah.
What else do you want to tell him? Happy
birthday.
anniversary.
Birthday.
Yeah?
It's coming to Amy's house.
Bless you. Goodness.
Daddy
Jacob.
coming to Amy's house.
No, but we'll see him next week, won't we? Yeah? Jacob. I know, honey. Jacob.
He's at home.
Jacob. Hey, Jacob, turn. Look at Daddy. Look to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Okay.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
I love you.
Yeah.
Say see you next week.
Next week.
Excuse me. Look, you want to see Joshua? Joshua, you want to say anything else to Daddy? Okay. Okay. Hi, honey. I miss you. Happy anniversary. I love you. Bye-bye.